Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Mohan and I am from AID branch. Today I am going to explain a particular topic in optimization techniques, that is nothing but linear programming. Coming to the linear programming, it is constraint based linear, that is we use constraints for this problem. So here another one, that is the objective function and the constraint should be linear. So there are some methods to solve linear programming problems. So in shortcut I wrote LPP. So coming to the example, so let us discuss about graphical method. So here they given z value and we have to maximize that by finding the x1 and x2 values. So how to find the x1 and x2 values? Based on these subjective equations, we have to find the x1 and x2 value in representing a graph. Representing Monte graph. So given z max is equals to so we have three equations. Let us write. They are in inequalities like symbols like this. So we have to equate them in a linear equation. So the equations will be 3x1 plus 2x2 equals to 600. 3x1 plus 5x2 equals to 800. Or we can write as minus 600 equals to 0, minus 800 equals to 0, and 5x1 plus 6x2 minus 1100 equals to 0. So we consider this as first equation and this one is third, second and third. So take first equation and put x1 value as 0. From that we can find out the x2 value from equation 1. So let us implement that. x1 value is 0 and 2x2 minus 600 equals to 0. From this, the x2 value will be 300. So coming to the next equation, the points will be 0, 300. Why? Because we taken x1 as 0. After that, the x2 value we got 300. If we assume that x2 value is 0, we will find x1 from that. So 3x1 plus 2, we imagine that x2 as 0. So the x1 value will be 200. The optimal points x1 comma x2 from this equation 200 comma 0. So let us take step 2. Consider equation 2 and put x1 value as 0. The equation 2 is 3x1 plus 3x1 plus 5x2 minus 800 equals to 0. So if we put x1 value as 0, we will find out the value of x2. So x2 value will be 160. So the points are 0, 160. If we substitute x2 value as 0 in equation 2, we will get x1 value. So 3x1 plus 5 of 0. Why? Because x2 value we assume that as 0 minus 800 equals to 0. So the x1 value will be 266. Value is 266. So the optimal points will be 0, 266, comma 0. So we have got two optimal points from equation 2. Similarly, we have to assume x1 as 0 in equation 3, so that we can find the x2 value. This is equation 3, and we have to assume x1 as 0. Then we will get the value of x2. Why? Because we don't have x1 value. 6x2 equals to 1100, and x2 value will be 183.6. So the optimal points will be x1 comma x2 as 0 comma 183.6. So if we put x2 as 0, and we will get x1 value. 0 equals to 1100.
Minus
So the x1 value will be
220.
220. So the optimal points are 220 comma 0. So first of all we draw a graph, but we don't have lines because we have to mark a line from one point to one point. So let us assume that 300 value as 1 and for x1 200 as 1 and in second one 160 as 2 and x value 266 as 2 and also third and optimal points 183 in y axis as 3 and 220 as 3. So let us combine the lines. This is the region which gives the optimal points. Why? Because they intersect each and every line. If we take these values, it will be neglected. So the optimal points are 200 and 160 based on this graph, and the z max value will be 30. We have x1 value as 200 and 40, y1 value as 160. The total. Make the calculation.
Sir, 6,000.